Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, pretty wet overcross, not just here in the Pacific Northwest, but the entire West Coast is getting some much needed rainfall, certainly snowpack too. Still nice to pile that on as we'll use it throughout the summer. But also looking for a chance for some slippery precipitation as you go over into central Oregon. Could see sort of an icy rain snow mix at times as you go in and above over the passes. So let's go outside and show you what we've got going on right now. You can see a nice little cluster of some stronger showers trying to work their way just outside of Portland over into the western edge. Western Washington getting hammered right now. The low is just off of Vancouver Island, and so as that continues to drift eastward, that is going to keep it fairly wet. Now across the rest of the country, it's fairly quiet so far. We've got a little bit of wintry precipitation north of Toronto, and you can see that front just kind of extending its way off towards the eastern seaboard. However, what we're going to be watching throughout the next couple of days and in towards the weekend is a big area of low pressure that will swing southward, likely fire up some real nasty weather across the midsection. This will mainly be for Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you've got travel plans anywhere across the Central Plains, Southern Plains, back off towards parts of the Mississippi Valley, do be ready for a potential for some strong to severe weather. We did see a few lightning strikes earlier this afternoon. Very cold, unstable air moving overhead with the sunshine kind of warming up the ground. That creates a bit of an unstable atmosphere, and that's enough to trigger off a few isolated thunderstorms. Most of this is just rain now. Shouldn't be any more threat of that as we go overnight tonight. Winter weather advisories have been posted. That's what the purple shading is there up into the Cascades, where places like Mount Hood, for example, Ski Bowl, and Meadows could see an additional 6 inches of snow over the next 24 hours. Current temperatures outside right now pretty cool in many spots. Upper 40s, Newport, Corvallis into Florence, 53 in Eugene, 39 in Sun River, 50 in North Bend, and 54 as you get down to Roseburg. So here's how it's going to break down over the next couple of days. We'll see rainy, breezy conditions Wednesday and Thursday. Bit of a break as we head towards Friday night into Saturday, but we'll still be looking at some light accumulating snow at pass level. So that is going to be a little tricky if you've got to go up and over top or vice versa from Central Oregon back down to the valley. Upper 50s to mid 50s for highs across the state today. 61 in the Dalles, that was about the warm spot. Otherwise, it's going to remain very cool the next few as well. Keep some steady rain with some broken cloud cover at times across much of our viewing area for tonight, and very chilly too. Big dip in the jet stream continues to bring in that colder Alaskan air. There's the low. That'll slowly wind eastward and kind of slam into Washington over the next 24 hours. Watch it to the north there. You can see as that pushes in, pulls all that moisture in as well. That'll keep some pretty heavy, steady rain through most of tomorrow, late afternoon. And then it will switch it all over to rain in the Cascades for Wednesday night into Thursday. Warm front comes through, pulls the snow lines back up, but still either way, it is going to be a bit of a soaker over the next couple of days, including out to the coast where the temperatures you saw there will be in the low 50s. Mid to upper 50s across the Umpqua, but still overall showers, breezy by the afternoon hours. Cascades will see 1 to 2 inches of snow for tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the low 50s and a wintry mix at times, kind of breezy, sort of a raw day. Out in Central Oregon, here in the valley, we'll sit in the mid 50s. Certainly cooler than the low 60s, which is where we should be for this time of year, but making up for lost time and a dry start to the month. In the coast, that will mean showers all the way through next Monday. In the Umpqua Basin, that will also mean shower chances throughout the rest of the weekend, with a little bit of dry time by Saturday morning and early afternoon, and then again next Tuesday. Cascades, a wintry mix with some snowfall the next couple of days, and overnight lows getting cool as well. That'll keep ththings a little icy. And here in the Willamette Valley, a fairly wet 7-day forecast coming in. So the next couple of days will be the wettest, and Friday into Saturday we may get a little bit of a break. But either way, we're not talking about blazing sunshine out there. Even into next week, we're going to keep this pattern going.
It was so weird seeing the snow in the mountain passes today.
I bet.